spot.
Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the LCD hinge covers from a Dell Alienware 17 version R2. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove access door. Then disconnect battery cable. Now disconnect cables from motherboard. Then remove palmrest screws. Now separate and turn over palmrest. Now disconnect and remove palmrest. Then unscrew and remove hinge covers. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.